My name is Randall Root. I am the instructor of the Foundations of Programming with Python course. It is an exciting language that's easy to learn, but it's also extremely useful in a wide variety of circumstances. The Foundations of Programming with Python course can help you achieve things that you hadn't thought you could do. As a programmer, you'll be able to take control of some of the things around you. And I think that's a really exciting aspect of learning how to be a programmer. The fact that we do focus on the skill set revolving around not just the Python language itself. Instead, we look at the whole process of how you build an application. How we start from the beginning of how to input and output information from the computer to the human, and go all the way to conceptual programming in classical designs that can help you build applications that are ready for your business and organization to use. In addition to those things I just mentioned, we also look at how you would work with a team. We look at how to build documentation for the applications that you work with, how to include documentation within your code, a very important skill that all your other coworkers will thank you very much for. The course culminates in a final program that you will create. That program will be a more intermediate to advanced level. It will include multiple files with different aspects of the Python programming language using professional techniques, including object-oriented programming and source control. So pretty comprehensive final that will tie everything together from all the previous modules. One of the great things about completing this program is it gives you a running start towards what you want to do next. And that might include going through and helping your organization to analyze their data, or for hobbies that you might have, or to learn more, such as attending our Python programming certificate. There's actually quite a few certification programs that we have here at the university that is supported by the Foundations of Programming with Python course. The fact that it can help people get a start on things that seem really difficult, and they might have believed that they couldn't do it. To help people feel empowered by starting off at a very beginning, a very basic form, and then moving to advanced topics where they can really see what it's like to program in a database or program an application. It's a wonderful feeling to help gift that to people. I've never stopped learning since I started back in the 1980s learning how to program. And it's always amazing that there's always more to learn. However, one thing I have noticed is that the foundational things that you can learn will repeat and can be used for decades to come. I know that from personal experience. But if you learn it well and you learn it right, you can actually build on that and make it easier to learn for the future.